Amid the serenity of Yellowstone National Park's majestic landscape and the beauty of Hawaii's glowing lava, two major geological phenomena are stirring the minds of scientists and locals alike. A major eruption from Steamboat Geyser in Yellowstone National Park, while Kilauea, one of the world's most active volcanoes, has officially entered its 27th eruptive episode since it began its perennial eruptive phase. The two events highlight just how dynamic Earth's crust is and the magnitude of the challenges facing modern Earth science. Visitors to Yellowstone National Park were once again surprised by the eruption of Steamboat Geyser, the world's tallest geyser. Early in the morning, Steamboat suddenly spewed hot water 1,100 feet into the air, accompanied by a roar and thick steam billowing into the sky. The dramatic eruption occurred without warning, triggering mild panic among tourists who were around the Norris Geyser Basin. Many fled to safer areas, while park officials immediately closed access to the eruption site. After the incident, scientists from the USGS Yellowstone Volcano Observatory confirmed that the Steamboat Geyser eruption was related to ongoing shallow magma movement beneath the Yellowstone caldera. This eruption is not an isolated event. The data shows that the pressure underground is increasing, and we suspect that magma is moving at intermediate to shallow depths, said Dr. Melanie Strauss, a USGS volcanologist. As is known, on July 1, 2025, the USGS issued an official report stating that there were clear indications of magma movement beneath the Yellowstone caldera. Observations via seismographs, GPS, and thermal sensors showed increased pressure and geochemical changes at several important points. Although it does not mean that Yellowstone will experience a major eruption, magma movement like this remains an important signal indicating that the volcanic system's activity is increasing. Steamboat Geyser does have a reputation as the most explosive geyser in the world, but a 350-meter-high eruption like this one is still rare and extraordinarily powerful. Scientists believe that magma movement can heat groundwater rapidly, creating sudden and large pressure, the main trigger for a major geyser eruption. This eruption extends the list of unexpected activities of Yellowstone in recent years, while confirming that the interaction between water, hot rocks, and magma continues to be active beneath this national park. As Yellowstone erupts and chaos stirs underground, Kilauea continues to spew lava to the surface. The volcano on Hawaii's Big Island is currently in its 27th eruptive episode, which began a decade ago. Kilauea's recent eruptions have been marked by lava gushing from fissures in the Halama-Umau crater and the formation of a new lava lake that is slowly rising to the surface. The 27th eruption on June 29, 2025, was one of the most striking in a series of eruptive episodes that began earlier this year. During this event, lava erupted to a height of about 1,110 feet, or 338 meters. More concerning, however, was the significant increase in toxic gas emissions and the widespread phenomenon of Pele's hair. Pele's hair was seen in much greater numbers than in previous eruptions. This is thin, filamentous volcanic glass that forms when lava erupts and is pulled into fine filaments by the wind. Pele's hair is very thin, easily carried by the wind, and has now been reported in communities around Volcano Village and along the tourist routes of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. The hair has a golden sheen but is very sharp and can cause irritation if it comes into contact with skin, eyes, or respiratory tract. Kilauea offers a unique opportunity to observe volcanic activity in near real time, but for Hawaiians, it is a double-edged sword. Lahars have destroyed dozens of homes in the past, and concerns are growing about the potential for new flows to threaten nearby communities. Scientists at the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory, HVO, are constantly monitoring changes in gas pressure, soil contamination, and lava temperatures. They note that the volcanic system appears to be entering a long cycle of repeated activity. While not as dangerous as Yellowstone in terms of eruption scale, Kilauea's relentless eruptive rhythm is a source of psychological and logistical stress for local communities. What is happening at Yellowstone and Kilauea is a stark reminder that Earth is a geologically active planet. Although volcanology has made significant progress, uncertainty is still an inevitable part of eruption prediction. One thing is for sure, Yellowstone and Kilauea are not just objects of study, but symbols of the power of the Earth that continues to beat beneath our feet,